Hey friends, welcome back to your girl Brittany, and I have an unboxing to do. So I was asked to be a guest design team member for Decorate Your Life. I'm so excited. I will have the link to their shop down below in the description box. They do the digital paper. I can't even think. They do digital paper and digital collections. And you can either print it out yourself, or they also give you the option of, you know, it being printed out and sent to you. And which I also really like, because sometimes not everybody's printers are the greatest. So if you're one of those people who don't have like that great printer, or if you're someone who has to go to places like Staples or something like that to get collections printed out, to have that option to go ahead and have them printed out for you. But you can go ahead and check out the website and see whatever tickles your fancy. I can't wait to show you what I chose. I just chose one collection. I wanted to do something that was relatively what's happening right now, which is Halloween, which is, y'all know, is my favorite. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to your girl, and let's take a look. Alright, so inside we have the cutest little thank you card. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I like that. This is so pretty, and this paper feels so nice. I love it. And I did read it earlier, and it's just, you know, saying, hey girl, thanks, you know. And then she's also included a nice little gift for me. This is a cute like little mini treat bag. You can probably put like one of those Hershey nuggets in there. I think it's actually perfect just for that. Oh, that's so cute. I'll have to play with that. So what we have here, this is called Pink Spells Halloween, and this is the paper pack, and it is printed on 65-pound card, 65-pound weight cardstock. And so the paper is 8 1/4 by 10 3/4. It has 7 designs. There are 9 cut aparts. There's also 4 coordinating cardstock, 18 fussy cut images, so for a total of 28 sheets. And here is some add-ons. So these are 25 illustration sheets. So we'll take a look at that after we go through this. Love her little stickers there. I remember when I saw her video showing the new collection, I was like, oh my gosh, that is too cute. And then it was like perfect, because then when they hit me up, I was like, oh, really? Me? Little old me? I'm like, oh, well, thanks. And so here's just kind of like a preview of everything. It's just so stinking cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. The cutest little house here, and then we have the little trick-or-treaters and little boos. We have the cat here. All the little kitties on the swing. That is so stinking cute. I love that. So we have 2 of those, and then, ooh, that's nice. Oh, I love the gnomes on here. That is so cute. And then look at the little pink ghosties, and I love how the clouds have faces. So this is for like the people who are not into super scary, like they like Halloween but they don't like the scary stuff. So this collection is actually perfect. This is too cute, and I love the bows on that banner. This is so cute. And if you're someone who doesn't know how to work with full pages, these are great to even just fussy cut out and utilize somewhere in your project. So that is so cute. And this one's so cute. The yellow background, the cute little gnomes, and the ghosts. It says boo right there. Oh, that's adorbs. I like that she implemented yellow in there. And then here, ooh, I like that. I love the house. Oh my gosh, I just love the house. How cute are you? Oh, that is so adorable. And then, so here's some of the cut aparts. That was fun. I like that. It's like a cut apart within a cut apart. These are so cute. So I have 2 of those. And then over cute. Look at the gnome. Oh, you're so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that green. Look at the little spider and its web. OMG. And then we have our full sheet pattern here. And again, you could also fussy cut these out and use the elements for your crafts as well too. So in case you don't know how to utilize the page itself, use the pieces that come on there. And then here is a coordinating sheet. So you have the green, we have the pink, you see like the cloudy feature. And then oops, we have purple. Come on now, cooperate. And then we have that blue. Really, really pretty. And then here we have, that is so stinking cute. I love it. Oh, this has to be one. Oh, but I love the house. Look at you, she's so adorable. I cannot. And I love the little gnome. I love the little gnome. And then here's another one. Oh, that house. I'm telling you, I am in love with it. And I love the gnomes. Like this thing is just too stinking cute. I cannot. I just cannot. That is so stinking cute. And then we have some illustration sheets. So these are like the fussy cut images. You can go ahead and fussy cut. I absolutely cannot stand fussy cutting, but I don't feel like recalibrating my silhouette cameo either to have it cut the machine. So I'm just gonna have to fussy cut. Some thick paper. This is heavier than 35 pounds. It feels like it's heavier. You must got that good 65, or did I say 35, 65? You must got that good 65, because my bendy test. See, so it's not quite 100, but it seems like a lot more than 65. Look at these images, it's so cute. We have the clouds. Oh, look at the little mouse. We have the little pumpkins here. We have the witch legs in the cupcake, and then we have the pink and white ghosties. We have the purple and pink one here. Hearts leaves, little witches hats. We got a bat, little candy, and some stars. These are so stinking cute. So again, I will have the link to the site down below in the description box. I cannot wait to play with this. I honestly have no idea what I want to do. Sometimes I let the collection speak to me, like, ooh, you know, this, that, and the other, but I don't know. I'm just gonna let my creative mind work. And this is just cutest little thing ever. Just super, super cute. Ah, I love it. So, okay, make sure you guys go ahead, check it out. She does have other collections, but if you're into Halloween right now, this is what she has so far. Maybe there'll be more Halloween collections, but this is absolutely super, super cute. I love it. Again, make sure you check down below in the description box for all that information. Again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to your girl, and I'll check you out in the next one. Bye.